Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the base settings for the game episode 26. For that, firstly we'll just head over to gear icon, which you can see at top left hand corner. Open settings here, then go to game settings. Right here in the gameplay, you just need to copy all of the settings which I have set it already. So just copy all of these settings from top to bottom just like this. And just in case if you're the advanced player, in that case you can just set this on none if you like. Then just copy all of these settings as it is, as I said. Now we'll head over to game type settings. Here set this gameplay type mode on competitive. Okay, then authenticity feature should be turned off unless you're playing in offline mode. Then wind effect should be turned off, this should be turned off again, and just all these settings are grayed out. Now if we head over to camera, here we need to set this enabled. Then single player camera should be cob, like this is the best one in the single player. In multiplayer you can just set this on tactical. Then if we just go to here, just set custom camera settings. Height should be 20, zoom should be 0. Now if we go to visual, right here all these settings in the visual are up to you, like whichever your preference is you can go ahead with that, but these are my settings. Now if we go to audio, just set this on 10, this would be on 10. By using this option you can disable all of the music. If you're streaming or if you're recording the video, you can just turn off this, but unless you can just turn this on. Then just follow these settings like this. If we go over to graphics now, graphic preset is set it on high. In my case I'm using PC, but if you have like PS5, then in that case you can just use enhance one. Now if we talk about controller settings, or you can say customize controls, then here I generally go with the default one, and I would also recommend you to use the custom keys if you like. If you're the advanced player, like you can just change the keys, you can just change the sprint key to RB, or let's say R1, R2, it's up to you, but most of the time people would generally prefer default keys, which I also prefer, but it is up to you again. And yeah guys, these are the settings which you can use. These are the base settings most people use, and I also use them personally. If you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.